How to register Copilot.
In this video, we demonstrate how to register Copilot. Copilot comes in 3 flavors. Trial, which includes professional access for 2 weeks. Copilot Help, which allows you to talk to our documentation. And Copilot Professional, which allows you to talk to documentation, CAD data, image, and general AI. Let's go ahead and ask a question for Copilot. Let's ask, tell about spline tools. And we'll type in our question, hit apply, and we'll see that Copilot's not enabled for this product, and it tells us how to go about to register it. And we need to go to the Help, Copilot Registration. So let's do that. Let's go to Help, Copilot Registration, and we'll get a dialog box where we can enter our information. So I'm going to type in my name, my email address, organization, and you'll get a key. So let's go ahead and activate it. And now let's just go ahead and re-enter our question about tell me about splines. And here you can see we get a response. Now you can also tell you're activated by going over to the Preferences, Registration tab, and you'll see here we have our Copilot activation key stored. Now if you ever need to disable Copilot, for example, if you have Copilot Help and you want to upgrade to Copilot Professional, what you will do is come into Copilot, type in clear, and then hit apply. Are you sure you want to override it? Yes, we do. And now we see we have turned it off.
Thanks for watching.